so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
What's up, madlang people? Ako po muli si Josepa dito sa Josepa, anong latest na nagatid sa inyo ng mga trending topic tungkol sa inyong mga favorite celebrity update. At eto nga, sa latest update nga dito kay Maymay Entrata, ay ibinahagi nga nito ang naturang baptism. Ayan, eto, di ba? Eto yung pinakamagandang update, ayan, na i-share natin o i-share ni Maymay Entrata sa atin na muli siyang binyagan sa pagiging kanyang Christian at ibinahagi nga rin niya ang ilang mga video at kanyang saloobin sa naturang baptism. Eto, panoorin natin ang nasabing video.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a
O diba, sobra namang nakaka-touch, diba, mga pangyayari sa buhay ni Maymay Entrata. At eto nga, ang caption nga ni Maymay Entrata na talaga namang bumihag lalo. 'Di ba? Ito yung patunay na tao rin talaga itong si Maymay Entrata, 'di ba? Na nagkakamali din at muli ay bumabangon, 'di ba? Dahil sa kanyang faith kay God. Ito, basahin natin ang naturang caption ni Maymay Entrata sa kanyang latest post sa kanyang Instagram story. And I quote, "I've been a Christian since 2015. Got lost when I entered the industry, was invited and attended Favor Church last 2019. Took the wrong path again and not until 2023. O diba, ito yung time na diba, ito yung time na siguro yung sinasabi niyang lost, diba, parang ito yung time na in love siya, 'di ba? Nung na-in love siya, parang medyo nanamlay ng konti ang kanyang pananampalataya o kanyang pagsimba sa kanilang church dito nga sa Favor Church, 'di ba? Medyo nag-focus ayan, si Maymay Entrata sa kanyang love life. At last year nga, 'di ba? O eto nga latest na 2014 ay rumored, ayan, 'di ba? Na medyo nagkaroon, hindi pa natin confirm kung talagang break na nga ba si Maymay Entrata at ang kanyang foreigner na kanyang ka-LDR na ka-relationship na si Aaron, 'di ba? Ayoko munang klaruhin hangga't hindi ito nanggagaling mismo kay Maymay Entrata, pero makikita naman natin at alam na alam ito lahat ng mga solid ni Maymay, lahat ng kanya mga supporter na dinilit na ni Maymay sa kanya mga social media ang naturang mga video at picture na kung saan ikasama niya dati ang kanyang non-showbiz boyfriend na si Aaron nga. At eto nga, 'di ba, yun yung time na sinasabi niyang na-lost ulit siya, 'di ba? Na-lost ulit siya hanggang dumating ang 2023 nang muli niya ulit nakilala ang Panginoong Hesukristo. Ayan, ipagpatuloy natin at naturang ayan caption ni Maymay Entrata sa kanyang Instagram post, 'di ba? Ayan lang po yung aking pananaw at saka sa naturang post ni Maymay Entrata. Ayan, ituloy na natin ang naturang post o caption ni Maymay Entrata sa kanyang Instagram post. Ayan. When I slowly came back to him, when he wrapped his arms around me without condemning who I was and what I did. O, diba? It was my turn to surrender all that I am and all that I do from Him. Amen. Diba? Acknowledging that it is He who in control of my life and not me. Diba? Kahit gaano mo pa, tama yung sinasabi ni Maymay, diba? Tayo, ganyan. Ito rin anak ko, kahit ano pang planong gawin mo sa buhay mo o sa future mo, kahit anong pagpaplanong gawin mo, Diyos lang, di ba? Masusurprise ka na hindi naman yun ang plano mo, pero minsan hindi yun ang binibigay sa ni Lord. At minsan naman, di ba, mas higit pa dun sa plinano mo ang binibigay sa iyo ng Diyos, di ba? Ayan, continue natin ang naturang caption ni Maymay Entrata. Ayan. I want to seek Him first before anything else because I know by doing so, everything will fall into the right place. Amen, diba? Jesus, this is me who is publicly declaring that I am with you. I'm dying for my sin and I'm with you. In the resurrection, the old is gone and the new has come. I am still not perfect. Tama? Diba? Lahat naman tayo ay hindi perfect. I am still flowed, but the great things is that I know where and who I am belong to. Ayan. P.S. This is a raw video of my baptism earlier kanina lang, ng 10 umaga, ayan, and then I noticed something. Pagkaahon ko mula sa tubig, they were praying for me, and while doing that, I noticed that the color of the video suddenly changed. I didn't bother about it, but then I remember someone gave me another video earlier, ayan, and then I got goosebumps cause the light was from outside above the sky. I just remember when Jesus was baptized by John. O, diba? Talaga namang isang patunay na caption dito ni Maymay Entrata ay sinasabi niyang tao lang po ako, nagkakamali. Ayan, at kahit gaano ko planuhin ang buhay ko, Diyos lang nakakaalam ng tamang ikakabuti sa akin, 'di ba? Ayan. Oh, 'di ba kayo mga kamarites, ano ang masasabi ninyo sa latest update ni Maymay Entrata sa kanyang Instagram post? I-comment niyo na 'yan at atin yang pag-uusapan sa aking mga susunod na video. O paano mga kamarites, ako pumuli si Josepa dito sa Josepa Anong Latest, hanggang sa susunod na video. Salamat! Paalam po!
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. and